Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafty. Today I am here with the final showcase with a tiered folio made with a Botany collection from Mintay papers. I called it Botany because yeah, I didn't know what else to call it. Um, and it measures 12 by 7.5 or 8 inches. I will tell you exactly 7.5 inches and has a spine of 1 inch, and it's a pretty simple design. I have inked the all the edges of all the papers. I distressed them and I made this type of closure. As you can see here, it's for the first time. I decorated it very minimalistically, so I only used the stickers from the cardboard sticker sheet, and so this is how it looks on the inside. I have also made two videos where I showed you how I put up together the right part of the folio. So if you want to see, it's a process video slash tutorial, and also another video for decorating the cover, matting the cover, and with a closure and everything. Okay, so the left part is 7.5 inches wide, the right part is 8 inches wide, but otherwise they are identical. The pages, like I said, are tiered. So the lowest one is the largest, and it comes up to the highest one, which is of course the smallest. It has 4 pages on each side, and I have also used some leftover papers from Farm Life for the matting the base of the folio, and from Woodland for the last pages in the folio, as you will see. And so this is how it looks here on the front. It's very simple. I used for the first time a technique called pocket over pocket, but it's not here. Here it's just a belly band that is also a pocket. You saw there was there a side pocket. Here on the side is the first time I'm using some paper from Woodland, and I think it uh, mixes up very well with the theme of our folio. And here you can see that I used pocket on pocket. So we have this, the usual pocket normally, and then we have the pocket over it, as you can see now. And I like this very much, but later in the folio you will see that I went even further, and I like that even more, obviously. So this is how it looks. Like I said, I decorated it very minimalistically, and I only used the cardboard stickers from the sticker sheet, so nothing else. I thought it's too floral, and this is why I didn't use the decorations in the ephemera pack. Now, as we turn the page to the left, we have here a small flap and a magnetic closure, which I have attached later on because this specific flap was getting out, flapping out, and every time I opened the folio, and I didn't really like that. But because I did this for the first time, I kind of forgot, and so I came later and added it, the magnetic closure. Here I put the title of the page Plant Story over the magnifying glass, and I like that very much. And this is a pocket, like I said. As we turn the page, we have another bigger flap where I used the white crackly paint background. It's from not from Vacation, but from not from Farm Life either, sorry. How was it called, that one? Country Fair, sorry, Country Fair collection. Okay, and again you saw I have a pocket here. It's I left it totally simple, and I only added some title up there, love green, leaf green, and a smaller round sticker on the bottom. I hope you can see it. I can see or don't. And as we turn, this is the last page, and it's from Woodland, and I love how it looks, so simple and so majestic almost. Our blooming garden, I named it. And here again we have pocket over pocket, and I like very much how it looks. And there the red background, red and white background on the base of the folio, it's actually from that Farm Life collection. And now we move on to the right side, which I said it's only slightly different in add-ons, so some pockets I changed their place. But here, as you can see, this looks exactly the same as the left side. I love this green background with the lovely flowers. And so I really loved how it turned out, and I like very much the fact that I used the black background alternating with red. I thought that really gives it extra life. Sorry. And here we have a leftover that I transformed into I punched the corner so you can insert your photos directly, and it's also a closure for our pocket. And yes, here the pocket on the left side would have been on the second page, but because on the second page we have this black background, which is my favorite background pattern from all the collection, I really didn't want to put a pocket over it, obviously. So then I only put this sorry, this lovely round sticker that says spread peace, love and respect to nature, which I love. And then two titles above and under: flowers are love's truest language and bloom with grace. And then as we turn, we have again that flap with magnetic closure, which this time I did before I attached the background paper. And I like very much how it looks. And to decorate the flap, I used the tags from the tags sheet that are 3x4, but I think I cut them, narrowed them down, trimmed them off a little bit in width. And here again we have a pocket with a big insert, and that again has been decorated with papers from from Farm Life. It's 3 sheets of 6x6, I think, 3.5, yes. And now as we turn the page, we have again one bigger flap, and this bigger flap, by the way, measures somewhere around, just a second, 5.5, almost 5.25 by 8. And I decorated it with paper from the small pad, the 6x6, and just put title above and under. And here on the last page, front and back are both decorated with these lovely papers from Woodland, which this is my favorite pattern from Woodland, by the way, if I haven't said it back then when I showed you the collection. And now on the back it's this with a deer, and again it says love nature, and yeah, I really love how it looks. It's so soothing and peaceful and calm, and you still have place for photos if you really want. And this again, the background, the base of the folio has been decorated with leftovers again from that Farm Life collection, the small pad. And here is where I put pocket on pocket on pocket, and I really love how it looks, and I hope I will remember to use this feature again. And this is about it. This is our folio. The sides with the green woody pattern, it's again from Woodland. And yeah, this is how I done my Botany folio, which I love very much, and it's for us. And I really hope you like it too. And if you do, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.